Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a listing from eBay. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to remove a listing from your account with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and going to ebay.com. For this process to work, you'll need to be signed into the account that created the listing. If you're not already signed in, use your usual login details, then return to the homepage so everything looks familiar and up to date. At the top right of the eBay homepage, look for the My eBay menu. This is your personal hub for buying, selling, and account activity. Click My eBay to open your account summary. You'll see several sections here, but we'll focus on the selling tools. On the left-hand panel, find the section labeled Selling. This panel is your shortcut to everything related to your listings, orders, and performance. Click Selling to open your selling overview. Next, click the Active tab. This view displays the items you currently have listed on eBay. It's the place to go when you need to edit, end, or manage an active listing. If your account is new or you haven't listed anything yet, this page may be empty, and that's completely normal. If you don't see an item here, it means there's nothing active to delete right now. When your active items are visible, locate the listing you want to remove. Beside or within the listing's actions, you'll find an option to delete or end the listing. Click that option. eBay may ask you to confirm, and it may request a reason for ending the listing. Choose the reason that best fits your situation and confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the item will be removed from your active view and will no longer appear to buyers. A few tips to keep in mind as you do this. If the listing has bids, pending offers, or an order in progress, eBay may limit your ability to end it, or you may need to resolve those activities first. Double-check any open messages or offers to avoid disappointing interested buyers. Also, remember that ending a listing early can affect visibility and sales momentum if you plan to relist later. So only delete items you truly no longer wish to sell. That's it. You've navigated to My eBay, opened your selling area, viewed your active listings, and removed the item you no longer want listed. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.